What I wanted to show real quick is that this impact may just be too short if you're buying it for lug nuts. And you can see in the video what the issue is, and that's not on all wheels, but some wheels have that deep dish, and may be an issue. Okay, I just wanted to make a quick video about this issue. That might be an issue or it might not be an issue. Again, I was really impressed with this thing in the last video. I was not expecting it to be able to do all that, and it really put down the power nicely with this 18-volt battery. And the size didn't really seem to be a huge issue. But what I'm going to show you may be an issue for some of you. You can see the difference here really in the design besides the battery is that this the head of the impact is pretty much straight level with the battery versus this one where you have the big lean on it. And so what happens if you buy this to do lug nuts, I wanted to show you on this. This is a 13-inch trailer wheel. Okay. So here I have a 19 mil, and I go to put this on the lug, and you can see the battery is hitting the tire. Okay. There's no real way to put this on the lug except to go like this. Then it clears. For this one, I would have to go like that. For this one, I would have to go like that. Okay. You know, for this one, I have to go like that. So you're kind of having to flip it around to use it on the lug nuts on this 13-inch trailer. Now, if I take the socket off, put it on the stubby, okay, with that big lean on the head and the short battery, I can hit that bottom lug. I can hit pretty much any lug without having to flip the tool around. So if you're looking to do lugs, that might be an issue because you would have to use a extension if you don't want to end up having to flip this around. And that's it. Okay, so this is a 21. This is a Mazda wheel, so you can see it just clears. Okay, and this is a 16-inch. Now let's see how much clearance the stubby has. A lot of clearance.